Tennis as a sport has become very popular over the years in India, and none to say the least, but Deccan Gymkhana Club, one of the premier clubs in India, has been hosting the NECC ITF event for the past 23 years. With us, we have Mr. Mihir Kelkar, General Secretary of Deccan Gymkhana Club, Mr. Girish Inamdar, the Finance Secretary for Deccan Gymkhana Club, and Dr. Vikrant Sane, who is the Tournament Director for this event. First, I would like to ask Mihir, great news for all enthusiasts, tennis enthusiasts in Maharashtra, that Pune is hosting the Fed Cup event that is going to be happening in April. So, Mihir, your thoughts on this event?
Deccan Gymkhana has got the opportunity to host the Fed Cup, which is starting on the 7th of April, and India being in the Group A, India team is in the Group A, so we are expecting players from countries like Chinese Taipei, Hong Kong, Thailand, New Zealand, and it is going to be a much bigger event than whatever we have been doing for the past 25 years, and we have to start preparing for it because we have a very short time for that. And on this occasion, I would like to invite all the tennis enthusiasts from all over the country to come here and experience the Fed Cup and cheer for Team India.
Girish, your thoughts on tennis and how is it evolving in Deccan Gymkhana Club?
In Deccan Gymkhana, we have about 11 courts, tennis courts, out of which 7 courts are hard courts and 4 are sand courts. And we have given it on Sandeep Kirtane Academy, and students are progressing like anything. After giving this to the academy, the progress is very much, and you can see that every year we are conducting couple of tournaments. This year Fed Cup is also coming, and it will be a great event.
Vikrant, first of all, congrats again on this successful ITF event. Your thoughts on the event and what plans going ahead?
This year we had upgraded the tournament to 75k with the hope that more Indian players get a chance to play in such bigger events. The Indian challenge this year was led by India number 1 Ankita Raina, followed by Srivalli, Shahja, and the local girl Vaishnavi Adkar. Next year, being the 25th year, we plan to upgrade the tournament further to a 100k tournament, and with support from AITA, MSLTA, and of course Deccan Gymkhana management and Deccan Gymkhana Club, we hope to put on a great show next year.
Welcome to the highlights of the ITF Women's event, $75,000 event hosted by Deccan Gymkhana Club. Today we have the women's singles and the women's doubles events. DD Sport viewers, at the lovely Deccan Gymkhana Club Pune, we are witnessing the ITF Women's World Tour semi-final match. First semi-final, we have Tatiana Prozorova from Russia versus Elena Pridankina from Russia. Tatiana Prozorova serving in the first set, first game. First game goes to Prozorova. She leads by 1-love in the opening set. Best of 3 sets. Now Elena Pridankina, representing world, that is the Russian flag, serving. Unforced error from Pridankina this time. 15-love in favor of Prozorova. All, missing that backhand down the line. Extremely tall and well-built player from Russia. Both the girls playing under the world flag. (15-30) in the second game. Lovely volley, getting the applause from the spectators. Now it's 15-40 and 2 break points in the second game. Very good second serve this time, getting the score to 30-40 now. Still break point down in the second game. Excellent point this time. Saving 2 break points, getting the score back to deuce. Second game. Very close call. But score is back to deuce in the second game. This time, excellent forehand from Elena Pridankina. And she goes up now, game point. Advantage to her. Although she's 1 love down. But good comeback in the second game. Coming back down from 15-40. Now game point to Pridankina. Excellent hold. Great hold coming back into the game. Pridankina hold serve. And now the score reads 1-all in the first set. Thirty love in favor of Tatiana Prozorova. Superb return of the forehand side by Pridankina. 3-1, 40-15 in favor of Tatiana Prozorova. Excellent first serve by Tatiana Prozorova. She goes up 4-1, holding her serve comfortably and off to a very fast start in the semifinals. Excellent point again by Tatiana Prozorova. She goes up love 15. Elena Pridankina serving now. 1-4, love 15. Superb serve this time by Pridankina, getting the score back to 15-all. Good point by Pridankina using the slice, forcing Prozorova to make the mistake. So Pridankina leading now 40-15 in the sixth game, down 1-4 in the first set. Excellent hold by Elena Pridankina. Gets the score now to 4-2 in favor of Tatiana Prozorova in the first set. Score back to deuce now. 7th game, 4-2 in favor of Tatiana Prozorova. Excellent point from Elena Pridankina. Prozorova has played the break points very well. Needs to save one more. Another break point save by great serve by Tatiana Prozorova. This time to Pridankina's forehand, surprising Pridankina and forcing her to hit the ball in the net, but getting the score back to deuce in the 7th game of the first set. Prozorova this time playing a superb point, setting up the court well with the forehands, so giving her a game point now. She leads 4-2, an advantage in her favor. Needs this point to go up 5-2. Good way to save the break point by Elena Pridankina. Good use of the slice, the backhand slice this time. So the score back to deuce now. This time good backhand inside out by Tatiana Prozorova. She goes up game point in the first set of the 7th game. Crucial point for her. Great point from Tatiana Prozorova. This time using the lob effectively, hitting a lob winner. So she goes up 5-2 in the first set of the semi-final tie. Nice serve by Pradankina this time, getting the score back to 15 all. 2-5. Elena Pradankina, the 7th seed from Russia, serving against Tatiana Prozorova, the unseeded player from Russia. This time another unforced error by Elena Pradankina. (15-40) now. So Tatiana Prozorova putting a lot of pressure on Pradankina's serve and has 2 set points in the first semi-final. 2-5, 15-40. Elena Pradankina serving. So first set ending in a climax with Elena Pradankina serving a double fault. So Tatiana Prozorova, the unseeded Russian girl, wins the first set 6-2. Tatiana Prozorova of Russia is now leading 6-2, 5-1 in a very commanding position in the first semi-finals against 7th-seeded Elena Pradankina from Russia, and Prozorova on cue to win this match, serving for the final. Great return this time from Pradankina of the backhand. (15-30). (15-40) this time now. Shot here. Great shot. 15 love. Pradankina suddenly looking charged up after having been down now. She needs to come back in this match. She needs to hold serve first. She's up 15 love. (30 love). Good 2 points by Elena Pradankina. Great return from Tatiana Prozorova this time, right at the feet of Elena Pradankina. So 30-15 now. Pradankina serving to stay in the match. (30 all). Excellent point by Tatiana. So score reads 2-5, 30 all. Elena Pradankina serving. Wow. Great point by Tatiana Prozorova. Excellent movement and gives her the first match point of this match. Pradankina serving 2-5, 30-40. Game, set and match. Tatiana Prozorova winning this semi-final tie. Emphatic fashion. Forehand inside out winner. 6-2, 6-2. Beating the 7th seed Elena Pradankina from Russia. Well played, Tatiana Prozorova. Second semi-final action at the ITF Women's World Tour $75,000 event happening at the Deccan Gymkhana Club. We have the top seed Leola Johnjon from France up against Pana Udvardi from Hungary. Leola Johnjon has won the first set 6-4. Udvardi, the Hungarian player, now serving 4-6 after losing the first set, starting the second set. Good start by John, forcing Udwadi into that backhand error. Love 15 in the second game, second set, first game. Excellent serve by Udwadi. 15 all, first game, second set. (15-30) this time. 30 all now. Another unforced error this time by Udwadi. Open court, forehand error. She goes down break point now in the first game, second set. This time luck, the net cord favouring Udwadi. So she goes up game point. First game. So Udwadi holds serve in the first game and goes up 1 love. But Leola John, the top seed in this tournament, had won the first set 6-4. Good serve by Leola John, forcing Udwadi into the back forehand error. Score is 30 love now in the second game. (40 love now. John having 3 game points. She's down 1 love in the second set, but has won the first set 6-4. Excellent second serve by Leola John. Holds serve in the second game. So the score is 1 all in the second semi-final. Chair umpire Mohammad from Iran. Lovely point from Panna Udwadi. 3-4, love 15. Hitting the drive volley forehand for a winner. John serving 3-4, love 15. Second set, but she's won the first set 6-4. Great way to hold a serve by Leola John. Excellent last 2 points at 30 all. Getting the score back to 4 all now in the second set. (15 love, 4 all. Panna Udwadi serving 4 all, 15 love. Having lost the first set 6-4 to top seed Leola John. Excellent point, setting up the forehand with the lovely backhand cross court. So Panna Udwadi now has 3 game points. 9th game, score reading 4 all in the second set. Excellent point by Leola John. She's serving now 30 love. Crucial 10th game of the second set. Udwadi leading 5-4 in the second set. Loose return by Udwadi of the backhand this time. John sitting comfortably at 40 love. Excellent hold by Leola John, serving very well with new balls and holding serve. So the score is 5 all in the second set. Great point by Panna Udwadi that time. 2 drive volleys, 1 forehand, 1 backhand. Finish off with the backhand volley. So it's 5 all in the second set. 15 love in favor of Panna Udwadi. (30 love, very good point by Panna Udwadi that time. She goes up 30 love in the second set, 11th game, score reading 5 all. Leola John John, the top seed, having won the first set 6-4. 40 love now. 12th game, second set. Excellent point by Panna Udwadi this time. Both players hitting the flanks. Excellent ground strokes. Leola John John serving 5-6, but still leading 30-15. All catching John John by surprise is Panna Udwadi. She thought the ball was out, but referee Mohammed staying with his call, so it's 30 all now. This time close call again, and linesman calling it out, so 5-6, 30-40, and set point now for Panna Udwadi to come back into this match. Very crucial point in the context of the match. Panna Udwadi having set point in the 12th game, 5-6, 30-40. Great way to save a set point. John John with that excellent first serve to the forehand, following up with that forehand winner, hitting it hard and saving the set point and getting the score back to deuce. Great serve by John John, that time out wide to Udwadi's forehand, and Udwadi hitting that forehand in the net. So game point now to Leola John John. Excellent hold by Leola John John. Superb game, weathering the storm and the pressure by Udwadi. So the second set goes now in a tiebreak. First set, Leola John John having won the first set 6-4. Good first point by Panna Udwadi. Excellent serve and finishing of that smash. She goes up 1 love in the second set tiebreak. Unforced error from Udwadi that time. So Udwadi serving now in the second set tiebreak 1-2. This time unforced error by Panna Udwadi that time. So John John goes up a mini break now in the second set tiebreak. Panna Udwadi serving 1-3 in the second set tiebreak. John John forcing Udwadi into that volley error. She goes up double break now in the second set tiebreak. Good fight back by Udwadi that time. Excellent point by both players. Udwadi coming up triumph, cutting the lead of John John to 4-2 now. Yes. Game, set and match. Leola John John, the top seed, wins the match and the semi-final tie 6-4, 7-6, tiebreaker 7-2. Well done, Leola John John. She marches into the finals. She'll be up against the Russian Tatiana Prozorova from Russia. Good afternoon, viewers. Warm welcome here to the women's doubles finals at the ITF Women's World Tour $75,000 event happening at Deccan Gymkhana Club, Pune. We are witnessing the women's doubles finals played between Alevtina Ibragimova and Elena Pridankina, the number 4 seeds, versus Maria Kozyreva and Irina Simovic. Chair umpire for this final doubles tie is Amit Deshpande from India. Love 15. Alevtina Ibragimova serving. Loose volley error. Ball went out. So it's 15 all. Great shot from Alevtina Ibragimova. Score is 1 all and now 30-15. So it's 40-15 now. Excellent hold by Alevtina. She holds serve and Elena and Alevtina now leading 2-1 in the first set. Excellent point. Volley by Maria, getting the score to 30 love now. Little lucky there, Pridankina. So score reads 30-15 now. Excellent point by Alevtina and Elena. So the score is now 30 all. Double fault this time from Semanovic. So it's break point for the 4th seeded pair of Elena and Alevtina. Great shot by Semanovic. That was an excellent return by Alevtina. But missing the half volley. So the score is now deuce. Great shot by Elena. Excellent deep shot, forcing Semanovic for that error, and the 4th seeded pair gets the break and they go up 3-1 in the first set. Excellent return by Alevtina, setting up that point, and Elena finishing off the smash. So it's 15 all and 2-5 in favor of the 4th seeds. Good point by Alevtina. Good exchange at the net and 2 good volleys. Gets the score back to 30 all. Loose return from Alevtina this time. Very ordinary second serve from Semanovic. Still it's deuce, so it's 1 point. Deciding point in doubles. Crucial point for both the teams. And I'm sure the number 4 seeds want to win this point and win the first set, while the second seeds hoping to hold serve and come back into the first set. Excellent return from Elena Pridankina. attacking that second serve of Simanovic, and the fourth seed pair of Elena and Alevtina win the first set 6-2. Second set now, and comeback by Irina and Maria, and they lead 5-1 in the second set after having lost the first set. Shot. Great shot by Irina Simanovic. Alevtina serving love 15, 1-5. Love 30 now. Suddenly the fourth seed pair of Alevtina and Elena losing their rhythm and going down 1-5. Love 30 now. Good move by Maria, but missing the volley. So the score is 1-5, 15-30 now. Good move by Elena that time, forcing Maria into the unforced error. So it's 30 all, 1-5 in the second set. The fourth seed pair of Elena and Alevtina winning the first set 6-2. Volley error from Elena. So it's set point now in the second set for the second seed pair of Maria Kozyreva and Irina Simanovic. They're leading 5-1, and Alevtina serving 30-40. Deuce deciding point in doubles. So set point now for the second seed pair of Irina and Maria. And a double fault this time from Alevtina, and hands the second set on a platter to the second seed. So it's a super tie break now. Irina and Maria winning the second set 6-1. So third set will be a 10-point super tie break. Great return by Elena Pidakina. So the fourth seed pair of Elena and Alevtina go up 1 love in the super set tie break. Good move by Alevtina and a good second serve by Elena. So the fourth seed pair of Elena and Alevtina go up 2 love in the super set tie break. Nice serve by Elena. Suddenly upping the tempo, and they get a mini break. They are up 3 love now in the super set tie break. Four match points saved. So it's 6-9 now. What a comeback by the second seeds, Irina and Maria, saving 4 match points. One more match point saved. 5 match points saved. 7-9 now. What a comeback by the second seeds. Nine 8 now. What a comeback. 6 match points saved by the second seeds. It's 9-8 now. And Pidankina serving, trying to finish this match. Yes! Elena Pidankina with a smart serve. And Elena and Alevtina, the fourth seeds, winning the finals. Winning the super tie break 10-8. Nerve-wracking match. 9-2 to 9-8. Then a smart move by Alevtina at the net. And winning the finals and the title at the ITF Women's Doubles 75K. We have the winners of the ITF Women's Doubles Finals, Alevtina and Elena. Very good match, good comeback after the second set. Alevtina, your thoughts on the super set tiebreak?
So we tried to stay positive, we tried to play our game, to show the best tennis and to be aggressive, and we did it. And the main thing is that in any situation we support each other, and it helped us to win the deciding tiebreak.
Yes, and Elena, one more question. You came back very well. You had a very tough semi-finals today in the morning. So good comeback. You all lost the second set. Good comeback to start in the third set super tie break.
Yes, I want to thank my partner because her support helped me to come up with new energy after the singles match. And thanks our coach, my father, and Alevtina's coach Margarita. They helped us to stay positive during this match.
We are at the prize distribution of the ITF $75,000 event for the women's doubles finals. On the dais, we have Mr. Sandeep Kirtane, former Davis Cup player and Arjuna awardee, along with Dr. Vikrant Sane, tournament director for the ITF women's event. Women's doubles runner-up, we have Irina Simonovic and Maria Kozareva. Women's doubles winners, we have Elena Pridankina and Avetlina Ibrahimova from Russia. Hello and good morning from the Deccan Gymkhana Club Pune for the finals of the ITF $75,000 women's event. Chair umpire Lalit Singh calls play Tatiana Prozorova to start proceedings in the first set. Good first point by top seed Leola John. Both players getting a feel of the court in the opening game. Love 15. Great forehand by Prozorova. Good start by Tatiana holding the first game. Missing the backhand that time, Prozorova. John more of a very steady player, more of a clay court player, but doing very well in the Indian swing so far. Playing the finals in Bangalore last week. It's 15 all now, second game. Backhand error from Prozorova. Good second serve by John. So it's 30-15 now. So Leola John has 2 game points now. Love won, but she's serving 40-15 in the second game. Good hold by Leola John. So both players holding their first game each. So it's 1-all in the first set. 5-4, 15 love. Shot. What a shot, yeah. Excellent shot by Leola John. 15 all now. Prozorova with the forehand winner. 5-4, 15 all. Excellent retrieving that is called by Leola John. Although Prozorova was in full control of the point, but John making sure she gets every ball back. So the score is 5-4, 30-15 now. Great shot. Forehand down the line, kissing the line. Excellent shot by Tatiana Prozorova. Keeping her alive in this game. Gets the score to 30 all now. Very crucial point in the context of the first set. John serving 5-4, 30 all. Great point. Great way to save the set point by Tatiana Prozorova. Excellent point. Score is deuce now. Leola John serving 5-4 deuce. Great shot again. One forehand winner and now a backhand winner. Prozorova coming into a earn in this game. Already saved a set point. Now she has a break point. Very important point. Leola John serving 5-4 but down a break point. Unlucky Prozorova. John's shot hitting the line. Getting the score back to deuce now. Lucky escape for the top seed. It's deuce 5-4. First set. Advantage. And now set point. Second set point for Leola John. Unforced error. So Leola John, the top seed from France, wins the first set 6-4. Great point by John. Excellent footwork and hitting the slice winner. 15-30 now. Prozorova in a spot of bother in the opening game of the second set. Great shot. Great forehand winner by Prozorova. Score reads now 30 all. First game of the second set. Top seed Leola John has won the first set 6-4. Good deceptive forehand by John, forcing Prozorova into the forehand error. .30-40 now. Break point for Leola John in the opening game of the second set. What a forehand. Great shot again by Prozorova, hitting the line. Saves that break point. Score goes back to deuce now and start well in the second set. Rushing into that backhand a bit and hitting it long. Great way to save the break point by Tatiana. Traditional serve volley this time and hitting the forehand volley down the line winner. Gets the score back to deuce. Great shot. Prozorova coming into a one this time. Excellent ground strokes. Beautiful forehand down the line winner. Gives her a game point now in the first game. She needs to hold to get her confidence back. Great second serve by Prozorova. Surprising the top seed John. So Prozorova holds serve in the first game of the second set. So she goes up 1-love. 5-6 now. Leola John serving. Clearly she was disturbed by that line call, but she should be hoping to hold serve now. 15 all. Set point. The match has totally changed, and now Tatiana Prozorova with a chance to win the second set. Leola John serving 5-6, 30-40 now. Set all. Match has totally changed now. What a comeback by Tatiana Prozorova. She wins the second set 7-5. So the score is 6-4. John. Second set, Prozorova wins 7-5. Back to the action. And now in an anticlimax. Now we have Tatiana Prozorova, the unseeded Russian, serving for the final and the title. She leads 5-3 in the third set. Excellent chance to finish the match. She'll be serving for the match. Great serve on the body. 15 love. Starts off with a bang. Remember, the top seed John was in a commanding situation but lost the second set, and now she finds herself in a very, very precarious position. (15 all). Unforced error by Prozorova. (15-30). Excellent shot by John. And now Prozorova feeling the pressure. She's leading 5-3 but down 15-30. Excellent second serve by Tatiana. 15-30. Now gets it back to 30 all. 2 points away from the match. (30-40) now. John comes back well in this game so far. She has a break point now. Shot. Beautiful shot to save break point. Gets the score back to deuce. Tatiana Prozorova with that wide serve. John missing that forehand. And first match point. Great shot by John. Under pressure. Great way to save a match point. John showing nerves of steel. Score is now deuce, 5-3. Oh, shot. Unbelievable setup. Yes. Match point number 2 this time. And that time Prozorova thinking and unable to finish that smash. Great comeback by Prozorova. But John playing too safe on that forehand. And Prozorova at the backhand pass, giving her a third match point. Game, set and match. Tatiana Prozorova wins the finals. She beats Leola John. 4-6, 7-5, 6-3. Great win, great final. Well played, Tatiana Prozorova. We have with us the winner of the ITF women's singles winner at the ITF $75,000 event happening in Pune, Tatiana Prozorova. Tatiana, first of all, hearty congrats on the epic win. Tell us more about the match today against Leola John.
Thank you very much. It was really tough match because this is the second final for me and second final for Zhanzhan also. But first one I won and she lost, so I thought that she also want to win this one, but me too. So I show her really fight and epic match.
What did you do differently in the second set and third set to come back and win this match?
Oh, it starts in the second set when I lead in the score. I'm sorry, I didn't remember what was the score, but I remember that I lead. So I just switch off all my emotions and continue to concentrate and focus on my game, on what I do and what give me the points. So I just continue concentrating, and it helped me, and of course the God helps me.
Of the ITF $75,000 women's event at Deccan Gymkhana Club, on the dais we have Mr. Mihir Kelkar, General Secretary Deccan Gymkhana Club. We have Dr. Vikrant Sane, Tournament Director. Mr. Girish Inamdar, Finance Secretary Deccan Gymkhana Club. We have Mr. Shastri, representing the sponsors NECC, and Swapnali Bhosle Kadam, philanthropist and budding entrepreneur. Women's singles winner Tatiana Prozorova of Russia. The ITF $75,000 event hosted by Deccan Gymkhana Club attracted players from all over the world and was a great opportunity for Indian players to compete with the best. The best Indian players, Ankita Raina, Rutuja Bhosle, Sahaja Yamlapalli, and other players competed against the best from the world. They did very well to get valuable ranking points. In the end, it was Tatiana Prozorova from Russia who won the women's singles finals. This concludes the event, a very successful event hosted by Deccan Gymkhana Club.